Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna be showing how to make Hojicha ice cream. In a bowl, mix the egg yolks and the sugar until the sugar gets blended completely. In a small saucepan, combine and warm the milk, sugar, and milk powder. Once warm, remove from the heat and slowly pour it into the egg yolk mixture and mix well. Scrape the warmed egg yolk and the milk mixture back into the saucepan and cook on a low heat, stirring continuously with a heat-proof spatula until the custard thickens and leaves a trail on the spatula when you drag a finger across it. Remove from the heat and immediately strain the custard into a bowl with ice bath. Keep stirring the custard until it completely becomes cold. Put it into the refrigerator for 6 hours or so. Add Hojicha powder into the custard and blend well. Pour the Hojicha ice cream base into an ice cream machine. Let the ice cream machine churn until it becomes thick and creamy. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my website for the detailed recipe at kitchenporcupine.com. See you guys again soon.